Evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are making mango juice. So come make mango juice with me. We have to wash it fast. The way it was clean, but I have to make it. So this is ready. Let us peel our mango before making the juice. So here we are peeling our mangoes. They're very soft. You don't need to struggle with. So this is what we have finished peeling. So we need to slice it up. Because I'm doing something to drink, I'll make sure my hands are clean. Let us slice our mangoes. Our mangoes are ready. We have to put it in the blender. Water. Because this is mango, I'm not adding any sugar. Just doing mango with no sugar. Let us blend this juice. So guys, the juice is here. It's ready. I have to sieve it. And see, we have beautiful and nice juice. Because this is the season of mango. I do make mango juice. I do make oranges, I do make pineapple, I do make also passion fruits. Because guys, let us accept or agree. We are in the part of Africa where there's fresh fruits. So we love drinking fresh juice all the time or every day. We do take fresh juice. So make my juice with me, guys. This is what we are going to have for our dinner. We have the juice, and also I'm going to make food, and I'll take you along as I'm preparing that food, if you guys don't mind. The story I have for you guys today, I remember when I was growing up as a little girl. I think because I have many sisters and also cousins that used to live with us in the house. I didn't like doing anything, even doing dishes. I was just like allergic to it. I didn't like doing it. Not that when I do it I fall sick, no. But I hated it. So while I'm grown now, as a grown full woman, I learned to appreciate the people who are pushing me. You need to cook, you need to learn, you need to make this, you need to do this. So I think also I was the baby of the house. I could get away with anything as long as not something terrible. We always have excuses not to do things. So guys, our juice is ready. We will have a taste. So thick, so heavy. It's very nice. So I have this. I have to fill it here. I have some more here by the way. So I'm just going to mix it. It's not bad. So here we are. I think because this one is not full, I'll add it here. This is also mango, sorry. Split some. Rinse off my ears and a little bit. So I have some drinking water. so much for watching. Come along with me again as I make our bread. See you when I'm making bread. Yes, so guys, we are here to do our bread today. This is our warm water, salt, and this is yeast. I'm going to use 1 spoon of yeast. I don't want it to be aerated, so we have to flip it so that it doesn't aerate. And then I have my cooking oil. I'm going to use this. This is it's like 6 ml. I will use like 2 of them because I want my bread to be moist. We are done with this one. Then, we have sugar to add. Also, I will use this very one for the sugar. I put 1.5 because we don't like too much sugar. Then after that, I'll add salt. A tablespoon of salt. That's a tablespoon or a teaspoon? I think a tablespoon, not a teaspoon. Or a teaspoon, I don't know. This is a teaspoon. We are done. Then this is ready. And I have my flour here. I will use 1 cup. 2 cups. And now, also guys, I have this brown flour because I normally do bread which is brown, not only white bread. I add some of this. This one I'm not measuring because they are very big. They are not even a full cup. So they are done. I'll add 1 more cup here because I need like 3 loaves of bread. That is how many cups. Then you start mixing them. I don't use butter either. I just use the flour alone because I need a little more. I need to add 1 more cup. Mix. We are doing the dough. So this is our dough. It's not yet ready. So guys, our dough is ready, as you guys can see, soft and tender. So I have my pans here. I've put oil already, so I have to smear it so that it doesn't stick. Yeah. Keep washing. I don't want my pan to burn, so that is ready. Let us cut. Normally I don't cut too big because it is going to rise so much. Place it here. I hope you guys are able to see. one is a little smaller. I'm going to steal some here and up here. Never mind about the shape. When it is ready, it will look beautiful and wonderful. Because I still have some oil here. Oil it on top. Brush it. So this is our bread for today, guys. I use film to wrap it up so that it will rise very fast. I know people make bread differently. Some people first make the dough and let the dough rise, they come back and they do it again. Mine is a little different. So this is our first. This is our second. This is our third. So guys, this is our bread. This one is here. I want to say thank you so much, guys, for watching my YouTube channel. For now, we are done with this. So if you're new here, my name is Afro Carol. Kindly subscribe, like, leave a comment, my dear. I will be so honored to reply your comment, and also give it a thumbs up. And if you are my old or my turning subscriber, you are most welcome. Thank you so much for liking me, for loving me. May God continue to bless you guys. As per now, let our bread rise. So they are ready to be eaten. Thank you so much, guys, for loving my channel. Thank you for subscribing. God bless all of you.